Hello, my name is Jacob Schulman, and I'm currently a student at Rutgers University. I'm also a brother of the Kappa Sigma fraternity, a legal assistant, an Eagleton undergraduate associate, a Rutgers College Republican, and an executive board member of the Rutgers University Student Assembly. And I want to participate in this seminar for a few reasons. First and foremost, I believe that real education comes from outside the classroom and coursework, like from life experiences and seminars such as this. Also, as a current economics student at Rutgers, I would like to take advantage of opportunities presented by professors outside my home university. I've also believed in a free market economy, although I have always acknowledged that it comes with complications, and I want to learn more about those complications. And finally, I actually currently stand at a crossroads regarding my academic path, because I know I want to apply to law school, but for my undergraduate career, I want to decide this semester whether or not to keep my economics minor or to pursue an economics major at the expense of studying more philosophy. These are the reasons I want to partake in this seminar.